and welcome to Israel Today. This is Rabbi Roger coming to you from Israel. All this week, we're going to do something special because this coming Friday, April 19th, 2019, is Passover. Each day this week, I will be teaching you on this wonderful time of year with tidbits throughout the meal from my book. If you'd like to do a Passover meal but do not know how, then go to our website, branchofisrael.com, and for a donation of $10 or more, I will email you a copy of the book. It includes my notes, recipes, how to set the table, and how to do both a traditional meal and a one new man meal that I personally learned from Sid Roth. Now this time of year is my favorite because all over Israel it is spring cleaning. People are preparing their houses and cleansing them and their food cabinets. They're even ridding their houses of any known leaven. Also, only in Israel of course, this is the only time of year that you're able to buy the unleavened bread, or matzah as we call it in Hebrew. After a week of eating matzah, it is the last thing anyone wants to see until next year. This is why as soon as Passover has ended, the lines for the pizza shops go literally around the corner. After the house has been cleansed of all the leaven and the dirt, the mother places a few bits of leaven around the house. On the evening before Passover, the children are sent to find these bits of leavened bread, and behind them the father comes with a wooden spoon, a feather, and a candle. Before searching for the leaven, a candle is lit. As the children find the bits of leavened bread, the father collects them by using the feather and wooden spoon. When all the leaven has been ceremonially collected, the father wraps the spoon with leaven in a napkin and then burns the entire matter. This indicates that all the leaven has been removed from the home. The removal of leaven is symbolic of removing evil or sin from the home. I have to tell you a quick funny story. We were staying at a friend's house here in Israel, and when the husband looked out the window in the field next to his apartment building, he saw a father and son doing just that, burning the leaven in this open field, which could have caught fire. He started yelling at the father and son, and then proceeded to call the police. Before you know it, a fire truck also appeared, and the man who tried to burn his leaven was calling our friend an Arab because he was trying to stop this man from burning down the field. Our friend remembered in the past when the field had caught on fire. Jesus wants us to be cleansing ourselves daily of all unforgiven sins. Paul says in 1 Corinthians 5, 7, and 8, "Clean out the old leaven so that you may be a new lump, just as you are in fact unleavened. For Christ, our Passover, has also been sacrificed. Therefore, let us celebrate the feast, not with old leaven, nor with the leaven of malice and wickedness, but with the unleavened bread of sincerity and truth." Are you cleansed and ready? Should the Messiah return tonight? Is your house in order, or does it contain too much leaven? Ask Jesus right now to forgive you, wash and cleanse you, and all of your leaven or sins. If you want to get in touch with us or get on our mailing list, visit branchofisrael.com. That's branchofisrael.com. Again, this is Rabbi Roger coming to you from Israel. Thank you so much for listening. Lahithrot, goodbye, or see you again.